I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you'll learn from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just talk a while until my worries disappear. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her. The things that you'll learn from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven.
Hello. May gabini kaninyong tanan. Salamat sa inyong pag-attend sa birthday o bunyag sa ako Ma, sorry ha. Kung ako pagkagawin ay maldita na pag-yun ko, pero lang ka na ko. Kung sa imong gusto, di na lang ko muhilang kay popcorn lang yun ang mura na ko. Salamat. Salamat. Nag-iabot pag-yun ka sa imong 83 birthday. Hopefully nga muabot masad ka sa sunod kong ipon. Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you.
Nah. happy birthday. Salamat sa tanan sa imong pag-arugan ako. Inaot ko nga, paabot pa ka sa sunod-suking puhon. Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
I love you.
It was really an inspiration, very emotional. Alright, now this time, Mama Ginos, may ask Ma'am Ginos, no? Maybe it's your time.
Happy birthday.
Hello.
Happy birthday, May. O, kinao na tagaan pa ka. O, daghan kang tuig na magkaupan ka. O, mga ulit na mo ka na kanyabang ka. Tagaan ka o mayong lawas. Ha? I love you, May.
Hello. Hello.
Be. Ay, nailang na. Kaya,
Love you, May. Wala ko pa sa iyo. Nabalik ka. Ano dito yung mali? Muni mo ay.
Hangod, my love. Ben, di ba birthday ni Moron? Kita kanila? Ha? Kanan sila ba? Kita kanila? Nag-celebrate ka sa iyong birthday, Ron. 83 birthday. Ha? May nakot ko may kapalit na ko. Makasilibral na po na sa iyong birthday, ha? Ako kami sunod. Boleh kohon ha. Maloy ang Ginoo. Maloy ang Sinyo Santo ninyo. Tagaan kang kahit lawas mi. Lagi ka na mo imong mga apo, imong mga anak. Ha? Pagpakahinsog. Tanawa sila pinagagay ka na ko. Ha? Inong katampal, dili ka magkuhan, mga stress. Katulog ka? Inong ka? Ha? Dili ka ulit, kailangan ka sa saktong palay. Ha? Ulit ka na sa palay. Ha? Love you, May. Happy birthday. Love you. Oh, Papa, ang tuwa niya. May kini, May. Yung pinaglang ako. Napuputang ni mo. May, happy birthday, May. May, naon na minom ka sa saktong tambal o mukhaon ka. Para pohon, dagang kang birthday ni mo na kuyog ta. Kumplito tabalik pa. Happy birthday, May. Kanang, we love you. We love me. Piram! Ang ilong!
So, happy birthday, me! Gusto na lang magpakahingsog ka. Ano kayo na ng sounds do? DJ, ha? May magpakahingsog ka, kay naramili dire. O, unta, before may mangmalik, kay nabalik na sad ka sa imong kahingsog para dili na sila ma-stress ni mo.
Di mag-all.
Dili na mag-uol sa nagunaw na. Sabot ka. Mo inom na ka, og mukha, o dili na ka magpa-labat sa ulo. Happy birthday, me! Tatagaan pa ka sa Ginoo, o taas pang ikinabuhi. I pray na malong life pa ka. Kaya magkuha ka sa kwarta, kaya kamil.
Tawa.
Oh, manta, i-bless pa ka ni Senyor Santo Niño. Happy birthday, me. I love you. Ate ka,
Si Courtney. Samahan ako ni mukha ako na mag-celebrate na sa iyong birthday. Mga na ni Rodney. For all. Thanks sa imong kamayo ng since pagbata. And also sa imong I hope hindi na kang pabadlong me. And mainom na ka sa imong medicine one time. Tapos mukha na ka. And hindi na mo kamatay yung happy birthday. I love you.
Meg, this time ni Meg. Happy birthday, Meg. Unta may nagaan ka, taas pa nga kinabuhi na may isang maayo na ka. Ayaw na pag-dinahin mo, inom na tambal, pumukaw na ka. Sabot kami? Ha? I love you, Meg. Happy birthday. Hi, Mommy.
Just tell her your message, ate.
Huh?
Just tell her your message.
I love you, Mommy. I hope you live long and have a happy life. Love you, Mommy.
Real story.
I'm your favorite great-grandchild. Sure?
Sure?
Hi, Mommy. Ako, Bryn. Mommy. I miss you, Mommy. From the day that Anakananako and CP come to Philippines. I know that you were strong, and I know that you'll keep on being strong. I love you, Mommy. Mommy, Mommy, ako si anak ko.
Very good.
I hope you live longer till 100. I love you so much that I don't want you to die.
Oh, yeah.
Keep being strong and you will always be strong and you will